Have you ever changed the batteries in something like a thermostat or your remote for your TV and it just didn't work? You thought, well, maybe there's something wrong with the thermostat or the remote? Well, I'm going to tell you a little story about what happened to me. This thermostat here was blank. Right now you see the number 75 on it because it's 75 degrees in here, but it was blank. It wasn't reading properly. So I opened it up, I pulled the batteries out, and I'll show you how you do that. So anyways, here are the batteries that are in here. And I grabbed some new batteries. I had another package like this, but these are AA's. That takes a AAA. I put them in and it didn't work. And I thought, well, okay, there's something wrong with the thermostat here or the fireplace that connects to it. I thought maybe there was batteries at the fireplace. So I took the panel off in front of the fireplace and there are no batteries in there. The only batteries are in this thermostat here. So I thought, oh, maybe I got a bigger problem. I was talking to my friend across the road and he says, well, maybe your battery's dead. I said, no, I just put brand new batteries in this thing. He says, go get your batteries and bring them over. So I took them over, he put them on a multi-tester to check if the batteries were good. And wouldn't you know it, one of them was no good. And it came out of a brand new package like this one. So I came home and grabbed another battery, put it in here, and lo and behold, it works. So it's just to let you know that even though you have a brand new package of batteries, it doesn't mean that all those batteries are good. Especially if you have a big package like this, it takes a long time to go through them. Maybe they've been sitting around a long time in the store, and now they've been sitting around for a couple of years in your home. The batteries may lose their power. So I wanted to share this video with you just in case you ever come across a problem like this. Check your batteries first. It's the least expensive problem, and you're likely going to find out that's all it was. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.